Welcome to Tank Radio on Ham Radio 2.0. Yeah, we did that. Play that awesome intro video. Oh, come on. We still don't have enough material yet? But when will then be now? I don't believe this. I'm going to talk to my tank commanders. You'll be hearing from them soon. I put together an awesome workbench video and I still don't have my own intro? Welcome back. Today we are going to be building a Pi Star hotspot with a Pi 3 and an MMDVM Nano board. This is going to be the supercut on Jason's Ham Radio 2.0 channel, and it's going to be pretty much a smooth transition through everything. Over on my channel, Tank Radio, I am going to post the long cut version of me downloading the software all the way up to running it. Well, I attempted. There's an explanation for that over there. But this video, we're going to be installing it and get it running. So stay tuned and enjoy. All right, we're at my workbench. We have the Raspberry Pi 3 and the MMDVM board right there. This is my first time doing it, so I'm feeling a little awkward, but we're going to experience this together. The first thing we need to do is to download the Pi Star software. This is the regular one. Version 3, version 4. Let's just get the latest one. Ooh, a DV Mega. Alright, this is going to take about 5 minutes. While that's going on, let's try to figure out how to get this together. So, I think it's going to be fairly simple. Oh, it smarts a little bit. Be a little spacer there. And there we go, both antennas are on. Now, I don't know, out of some of the tutorial instructions I did see, what are these are used for. I think this hooks into, it's a USB module. We got another 2 minutes. Get out my freshly new SD card here. And plug it into the Pi or the computer. Next thing we're going to actually need before that's finished downloading is a program to burn that to the flash drive. Today we're going to use Etcher, and I am going to just download the latest release. Alright, that Pi software is done downloading. Let's go ahead and just open that up or unzip that. Alright, and we're still waiting for Etcher to complete. Flash from file. Downloads because I was lazy. Select target. D and flash. Pop that out. Move this aside, and this is a Pi 4 board. We're going to look at it maybe in another video, see if the Pi Star will work on it. Alright, so we need to plug in the flash drive. Where was that? Here we go.
Okay, and we're back. Found the dongle. It was on the desk behind me still. So we'll put that in here. I don't think we need any of this. Put that there, put that there. Move the laptop, tablet over for now. Let's bring in the monitor. Cool, we're booting. Now that's pretty much all it is from here. I think at this point we can set this aside for now. And it says just to do pi-star .local. That's why I needed the Ethernet cable. Ho! Womp womp. Aha! It wasn't plugged in all the way. Alright. Going to the dashboard. pi-star raspberry. Awesome. Support forms, pi-star. Cool, here we go. We got a DV board. We're going to do a simplex node. Frequency. I should have figured that out. Node. Kilo Golf. 5 Alpha Hotel Juliet. We're going to call it Pi. Oh, that's all you can do. Now I did see their setup talking about a latitude and longitude. Don't know what that is really used for. ULIS. Private, 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 private. Oh yes, that was the locator square. Grid square locator. Hey, look, my Latin long. So much stuff I have to blur out. There we go, Chicago. Apply changes. Okay, now we finally get into the MMDV host settings. DMR, yes. Not going to do D star or any of those others. Color code 1. Da 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 da. Don't want to do security. Grandmaster. There we go. Middle of the list. Nope. Nope. Alright. See what things pop up here next.
Okay, let me tell you what happened. After I did that cut, I went downstairs, retrieved my second radio, and did not come back upstairs. I decided I was hungry and I had dinner. When I got back though, I started recording again, and I'm going to pause it here. I'll tell you why in a second. I came back and started recording and did not realize the audio was not being recorded. I got the screen, I have the camera still, but I didn't have audio. So you get the voiceover. So the error on screen right now is telling you that the modem is not configured. And that's very important, I've learned in this next 40 minutes that I have behind me going. Let's start that again. For the radio or the hotspot to work, which of course is important. That's here we are at the pi-star dashboard. What we can see from these green squares here, that the DMR is set up correctly and that mode is enabled. The network status is green also. What I found out later, that if there's any text down here that's showing that you're successfully connected to that server, and right now it's the Brandmeister US, and it falls off the page. We are going to be using time slot 2 and color code 1. And once we have a successful connection, or not connection, transmission, it's going to show that activity up in our logs. So right now I have my handy Anytone radio ready. Let me go ahead and key it up. And you saw it popped up there. I just realized I did not have a talk group programmed into the radio. So let me do that real fast. Okay, I just set the radio to the Texas statewide talk group, so let's go ahead and key it up and see if we can get someone. This is KG5AHJ on Texas statewide. Can I get a radio check? And if someone does come back, we're going to see their activity on the gateway up here. The colors do change. Right now it's showing that the node is in a listening mode for the next 20 seconds to see if anyone comes back to us. Let's try it one more time. This is KG5AHJ on Texas statewide. Can I get a radio check, please?
You sound real good. You're coming through loud and clear. This is KG5 RZX.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. This is KG5AHJ. If you notice, the colors over here did change. When it was transmitting, it turned red. Right now, it's again in the listening state. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Next, I am planning on doing antennas for the theme night in, I think it's the first weekend in November. So y'all take it easy, and 73.